So everybody, we just got back from the trip. Drove through rain, sleet, snow, everything. Our car is an absolute disaster. But Mother Nature was like, your car needs a bath, so let's wash it off.
Well, at least it's still warmer than up north.
Oh my God, it was so cold up north. We woke up this morning, 30 degrees, 30. And yes, I know to a lot of you that's not cold, but when we got back to Phoenix, it was 70. My wife's going to get food. But yeah, it is raining. That's the one biggest gripe on my car. It's got LED driving lights and halogen headlights. One of these days I'm going to change it. But I've been saying that since we got the car. But yeah, just a little rain. And that's what our car looks like, a little Toyota CHR. I love that freaking car. It's slow as all hell, but it doesn't look like that car or that car, you know, the typical bubble shape that cars come in. And the rain's done. Ha ha ha. Kids over there playing in the rain. There's a little bit of wind blowing, and my phone is making it look a lot brighter than it is. But yeah, go on to my Xplore Arizona channel. I will link it in the comments. I've already uploaded 2 videos to that channel for you to go and check out. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do. I greatly appreciate it. I've got 3 more videos to upload, 3 or 4 to upload to that channel. And yes, I don't have my hat on. But as soon as I get those videos done, I'll have them on that channel. And remember, the link will be in the description of this channel, this video. So thanks for watching.